Hi YouTube and welcome to the rebranded Nordic watch channel. I'm Anders from Finland, and in this video a quick tutorial on how to shorten your NATO strap if it's too long for you. Let's get to it. Many of you people who have smaller wrists like mine have probably gone through this problem with a NATO strap, and that's that the NATO strap is too long. If you're like me and you like to tuck in the end of the strap underneath here so that it leaves even strap on this side and doesn't leave it hanging out here, then your NATO strap might be too long and it will end up looking something like this because there's not enough room for the strap to tuck in under the rest of the strap. But in this case it's easy just to shorten the strap and then heat seal it to make it look like it came out of the factory like that. And the end result will look something like this. Either that or you just want to wear your NATO strap like this so that there's no excess to tuck in. Okay, so how do we do it? Well, in this video I'm gonna use this awful looking NATO strap because I have absolutely no use for it. I think I got it for next to nothing. And I thought it would be a nice idea to have it at the Christmas table or something. I don't know what I was thinking. So at the moment I don't have any NATO straps that need shortening, so I'll just show it with this one because I have nothing to lose with it. So in order to make this work, what you need is at least a lighter, a pair of scissors or a knife. And then there's different ways you can go about this. You can use a pair of coins like I like to use. In this case 20-cent coins, euros. Some people like to do this using a key ring like this. And oh yeah, it helps to have a pair of pliers for the heat sealing. Show you later. But I'm gonna go through the way in which I like to do this. So let's do this. Okay, so let's say you've gone through the process of putting the NATO strap on your wrist and you know how much pretty much you have to take off, and you still want to keep a nice rounded end of the strap. Well, I'm going to start off with these coins. Let's say you want to take off like this 2 centimeters or something. Disregard the change in the strap. I had to make a fast forward and make another cut because I used the wrong pair of scissors earlier and made a bad cut. Take the coin, make the marking. See how well this goes. So when I was filming this earlier, I accidentally used the wrong pair of scissors and it ended up being a really bad cut, so can't stress this enough. You'll really make this easy for yourself if you have a sharp pair of scissors. Then it's a walk in the park. You just have to make the marking with the pen and just cut by freehand like this. And the end result will be just fine. There we go. So now all that's left to do is to heat seal the cut. So you just take your lighter and gently apply the flame to the cut surface to make sure that it doesn't start opening up when you use the strap. And now I'll show you how you can use the 2 coins to secure the rest of the strap. So just pinch the strap between your coins with the pliers and then start heat sealing the strap. And now the coins will protect the rest of the strap and make sure that you don't burn it. This way you'll get a really nice finish on the heat seal and you don't risk leaving any burn marks. So yeah, that's all there is to the heat sealing process. And after this you'll see you have a nice rounded edge that's heat sealed. Actually here, just a word of advice, you can be smart about this and put the markings with the pen on the other side of the strap so you don't end up leaving marks with the marker like I did here. That's the quick tutorial. If you liked this video or found it useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments. Anything, I'm a pretty active guy at answering comments. Also, let me know what you think of the new branding for the channel, the Nordic Watch channel. I'm also looking to maybe design a new logo for the channel, so if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments or email me at andersonfinland@gmail.com or something. I'll be really thankful. If you have any watch friends that you think would find this video useful, be sure to share it with them and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.